Check out this nice ride, guys. 2021 Kia Telluride Type S. It's got the big 20-inch wheels, fully loaded with technology package. I'll give you a slow pan around it. Carfax certified, one owner. Yes, it's a one owner. It's got your backup camera, backup sensors, power lift gate. Again, this is a Type S, fully loaded, one owner with the technology package. It's got blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, automatic cruise control. It's fully loaded, and we've got it here, trading post in Conover, big captain chairs. Carfax says one owners typically bring 15% more money. Well, not here at the trading post. This car is as clean as you will find. It's got the big screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got the USB in the seats for the kids. They've always got to have a charger, guys. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the trading post. We can get you approved. You've got to check out my website, tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. The best interest rates around, the best cars around. You're going to love it here. 2021 Kia Telluride in the wrapper new, guys. 828-464-0600. You're going to love it here. And you're going to love this 7-passenger Telluride Type S here at the Trading Post. Call us today before it's gone.